Hello students, so today we come to the second part of the lesson climate. Now India has got four major seasons, namely winter, summer, rainy season or the monsoon season and the retreating monsoon season. However, in this video we are going to take up the winter and the summer season. Now in India, the winter begins in December and lasts till February. January is the coldest month. Now in general, temperature decreases from south to north. Now because the southern part of the nation is narrow and is surrounded by sea, so it has got less seasonal variation and the temperature is also comparatively higher because it is closer to the equatorial region or closer to the equator. So we find that temperature normally decreases from south to north. So in January, the peninsular India is quite warm, while the northern plains are cool, while the northernmost area is the coldest because of the presence of the mountains, and also these areas are very far away from the influence of the sea. Here, temperatures can reach much below 0 degree centigrade. Now during the winters, a high pressure zone builds up in northern India. However, there is a low pressure zone in the south because of warmer condition. That is why we find cool, dry winds move from north towards the south. So the winter is usually associated with dry weather and chilly breezes because the winds are coming from the land. So the temperature is low. At the same time, the winds sometimes become pretty strong, and that is why the effect becomes very, very cold. So the winds are dry because they are coming from the land, and they are very chilly because of the temperature being very low. Now during the winters, a very important effect occurs, and that is known as the western disturbance. Now these western disturbances are the rainfall which is caused due to stormy conditions which occur in the Mediterranean Sea over here. And these storms normally originate over here, but its effect is carried across the countries of Iran, Iraq, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and their effect can be felt far away in the northern plains of India. Now they can cause, that is, the westerly disturbances can cause snowfall in the higher reaches of the mountains, and rainfall can occur in the northern plains. However, these rainfall is of great benefit to the winter crops which are growing in many parts of northern India. Winter crops include wheat, pulses, and they get a substantial amount of water which helps them in irrigating the fields. Now, the southeastern coast of India receives annual rainfall, especially during the winters. And this rainfall occurs because of the northeast monsoon winds. Now, here what we see is that the monsoon winds are returning, and while they return, they pick up moisture from the Bay of Bengal and they strike against the eastern Ghats over here, and they are forced to shed their moisture, which causes very heavy rain in the eastern part of India, especially the southeastern part, which includes states like Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. So all these areas, especially the southeastern part of India, gets very heavy rainfall from the retreating monsoons. Now, summer season in India is characterized by very hot and a very dry weather. It begins in the month of March and continues up to May. During this time, the summer comes normally early in the southern states, and by May, northern, northwestern part of India are the hottest region, where maximum temperatures can reach up to 45 degrees centigrade. So here we can see that how temperature is rising from the south towards the north. During this time, the area, that is especially the northern plains and the northern region, experience a hot, dry and dusty wind which is called Lu, and it blows during the day, desiccating everything along where it passes through. A very low pressure area is created over here because of very high temperature, and this results in several local storms. A few among them are the Kal Baisakhi, which we call as the pre-monsoon showers, which occur in parts of Bengal and parts of eastern Bihar and some parts of Jharkhand in this region. Elsewhere, we have the mango showers in Karnataka, which helps in ripening of the mango. Further south, the same type of showers occur just before the monsoon, which is known as cherry blossom, and here it helps in the irrigation and providing adequate water to the coffee plantation. Similarly, the tea shower in Assam just before the monsoon is a shower which provides widespread rainfall or water required for the growth of tea in Assam. Now, all these different names which have been given to the pre-monsoon showers help in bringing down the temperature, because they all come with a lot of dust storm followed by thunder, lightning and heavy rainfall. Now, all these showers help in bringing down the temperature temporarily which people are experiencing because of the scorching heat of the summer. So students, right now we have learned in detail about what kind of conditions prevail during the winter and the summer season in India. I hope you have understood the topic well. So that is what we have enough time for today. Thank you.